In this video, I want to share with you a very specific trick on how to grab your audience and get their attention to your presentations using a PowerPoint trick that you can put in a moving background behind your subject, whatever is your subject, so that your presentation can go from something like this to something like this. Interesting, right? So without taking much of your time, let's get into it. So if I want to deliver a presentation to you and I flash something like this in my presentation, and I explain to you why we need to think beyond the box to fight COVID-19, it will be quite boring to listen to me, except if I have some extraordinary engagement skills. Or when I flash this next slide and I tell you the need to go for a regular vacation. This might seem a little bit captivating, but it may at the same time look a little bit boring, except if I have also some extraordinary skills to explain this to you. Very much captivating. Although the image says a lot, but the video will say more. To make a moving background is very, very simple. I will share with you how you can do it to spice up your next presentation with this little trick. Now, this my write-up. I want to bring in a video over it. There are so many ways in which you can bring in videos. If you are using Microsoft Office 365, it's a different way. If you are using normal Microsoft Office, you can bring in videos in different forms. For example, you can come over to the insert button here. From the home, you can come to insert. You can come all the way to videos and you can click on online video. Or if you have a video already on your PC, you can bring it in as well. So you can click on online video and this can take you to YouTube. You can search from YouTube. You can search from a video embedded code. If you have the code, you can just put in here and it will bring in that video directly. But my most efficient and most aesthetic way of getting a very good and high resolution videos are from the website I call VDZ, vdz.com, and you will see free HD stock footage of 4K videos. They are very, very strong and extremely powerful in sending good messages. So for example, the video you just saw was about COVID. You can just click on this and you can just take a look at the preview. This is the preview of it, and you can check any video you like. If you have certain you want to take in this video or any video that you want, you can just come over here and click on download and it will download automatically for you. So this is the first way. The second way is you can search anything from your mind. Maybe I want to talk about something that has to do with nature. You can search about nature and it will bring you different kind of videos, short videos that are captivating, that can send you very, very fantastic message to your audience. Like this one, you click on it. All right, you can have a preview of it and you can see what is happening. Maybe you want to talk about precipitation and the effect on vegetation. You can bring in something like this to get your audience on their feet. Or you want to talk about interception of rainfall by vegetation. You can bring in something like this and your audience will be marveled. So all you need to do is to click on download here to download this video for yourself. Now, assuming you are done with the download and you have a video on the desktop or anywhere, all you need to do is just to drag and drop it. For example, in this particular PowerPoint, I want to bring in a video that I can put in overlay of this. You can just come over here. And this is the two videos I just downloaded from VDZ website. So you just drag in the video. Just like that, you drag this one, for example, and just drop it on the slide, just like that. And you can resize it until it fills up all the positions you have. You can just keep resizing and resizing and resizing until you have it fully fit to your position. Unfortunately, I cannot be able to see the text at this point. So all you need to do is to right click on the video and go over down here and send it to back. Send to back will bring in this video and the text to the front. Now, still, unfortunately, I am not able to see my text clearly. So to see my text clearly, I have to select it, select all, and come over to the font color here and just select and make it white so that it becomes extremely visible. Now it's visible. So you can see the text is overlaid on the background, the video background. Okay, you can just let me play the video and let's see what happens. You play the video and nothing happens. It doesn't play the background just like we anticipated. So to get it playing on the background, on click, all you need to do is to select the video. When you select the video, you will have two things: format of the video and the playback. So in terms of format, you have a lot of things that you can do here. You can change the view of the video from the video styles from here. You can reset the design. You can check on this drop down to see how you can reset the design. You can check on the frame and adjust it. You can adjust the color of the video. You can you can put in some correction in terms of the contrast and brightness and all. And you can play the video from here. Other features are all over here. You can crop the video if you want to any size, or you can change in the height and width, or you can do in other things like bring in forward and backward according to your liking. You can play around with shapes. You can bring in shapes. You can bring in other effects to the video. Now, but what we are most interested in at this point is the playback option. On playback, you can see you can add bookmark, you can play directly, you can trim the video from start to end. If you like, you can select the starting point, you can select the end point, you can do fade in and out from here. You can increase or decrease the volume as you so wish, but our most important thing for today is to check on this start option. You come over to the drop down and you have options to start automatically or when clicked on. When clicked on means when you click on this button, the video will start. But I don't want it to start. I want it to start automatically and I want it to loop until stopped. Loop until stopped means the video should keep playing and replaying and replaying until I stop it. You can insert captions if you want. Now, by making this selection automatically and loop until stopped, let's see what happens to the video. You just click and it starts playing. And now I want to tell you why we need to think beyond the box to fight COVID-19. Doesn't that sound a little bit interesting? Because we have seen the sign of COVID-19 playing in the background. So to attract the attention of the listeners to want to look or to want to pay attention to my presentation. What is this guy trying to say? So you can do the same for this one, the need for a regular vacation by Dr. Rashid. So you come over to the same video, you can take in this video and just drop it, and you can come over and resize it just the way we did in the other case. You resize it to your liking, and then you come over to playback, set it to play automatic and loop until stopped. And you notice also the text has been covered. You right click on the video, you send to back, and you bring in the text to the front. Also, you can see it's not too visible. You can select it. You can put in any color you want that you think will be visible. Okay, yellow can be good, red can be good also. You can try this also, it's good. If you go for white, also it's good. You can leave it at white and then let's see what happens. You make sure you come over here to the playback, set it to automatic and loop until stopped. Now let's play and see what happens. Why do we need to go for a regular vacation by Dr. Rashid? So this tells you a lot. You can see the visibility in what you will get attracted to. These are things you may want to do while you're on vacation. So this can give you the bigger picture of why actually you need to go on regular vacations. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And always remember to hit the like and subscribe button to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.